So the first question, in a test in which 120 students appeared, the total number of students are here 120. 90 students pass in history. 90 students pass in history. 65 pass in sociology. 65 in sociology. 75 pass in political science. 75 pass in political science. 30 students pass in only one subject and 55 students in only two. 5 students pass in no subjects. So total number of students are 120. There are 3 subjects in the history and sociology and political science. So this is the 3 variable Venn diagram. So we have to take the help of the Venn diagram to solve this question. So first of all, make 3 circles, overlapping circles, 3, which show this is student who pass in history, this is sociology, and this is a political science. So this number is 90, this number is 65, and this number is 75. But I don't know how much part exclusive in history and sociology and political science. So let us understand 30 students pass only one subject. That means this and this. So their sum is how much? 30. 55 students in only two subjects. Which is part is only 2 subjects? This part, and this part is only 2 subjects. This part is only 2 subjects, and this is given to here 55. And 5 students pass no subject. That means the outside of this area are 5. Okay, so this is 5. So that means we can conclude here at least how many students pass here. At least how many students passed here. So total number of students passed here. 5 students are not passed. So that means you can say root of 5, 120 minus 5, which is 115 students passed. Clear? So 115 students pass, and it is given here 30 students pass only one subject and 55 in only 2 subjects. So we know that this are 30 and this are 55. Okay, and this is 5. Can you say sum of this part, and one of the area which is left here is the common, this one. I don't know, let's say this is x, this is a x. So how to write a equation? Sum of the number which pass in only one subject, which is 30, plus number of students in passing jacket of subjects 55, and plus x. This should be equal to 115. So what is the value of x? So 55 and 30 is 85. So answer is 155 minus 85, which is come out with 30. So my answer is how many students pass in all 3 subjects? My answer is 30. Clear this point? This is a 3 variable Venn diagram. If you got it, I have to move to the next one, right? Now next is find the number of students who pass in at least 2 subjects. So Number of students who pass in at least 2 subjects, there is student pass in at least 2 subjects. Student pass in 2 subjects or pass in 3 subjects. So how many students pass in 2 subjects? Number of students pass in 2 subjects are 55 plus how many pass in 3 subjects already we find in the first question, which is how much? 30. So their summation will be how much? 55 plus 30 is 85. So answer is my A option. Okay, now move to the next question. Here is the next question. In the Indian athlete squad sent to the Olympic, 21 athletes were in the triathlon team, 26 in the pentathlon teams, and 29 were in the marathon teams. 14 athletes can take part in the triathlon and pentathlon, 12 can part in the marathon and triathlon, and 15 can take part in the pentathlon and marathon, and 8 can part all the 3 games. So here total number of participants or athletes are not given. Here is given the information about the participants who take the part of any 2 type of the tournaments or athletes, right? And one of the critical or important information is given, how many students are take the part of all 3. Okay, so this is very crucial information. First you have to make these circles for each. Okay, now make a next circles for that. Here it is given for triathlon, this is given for pentathlon, is for the marathon. Okay, so first of all we have to target the common part, which is 8. So let's say this is 8, and 21 athletes were in the triathlon team. 21 the triathlon, this total is 21. 26 were in the pentathlon, this is 26. 29 the marathon is 29. Okay, 40 athletes can take part of triathlon and pentathlon. So that means the sum of this portion, this and this, is the how much? Is 29. 29 pentathlon. 1 second. 26 were in pentathlon team. 29 were in the marathon team. Is done. Yeah, 14 athletics take part in the triathlon and pentathlon. The triathlon and pentathlon. This is the 14. Out of this is x. This is 8. So this is should be the 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 12 can take part in marathon and triathlon. How much? This is 12. So marathon and triathlon, this is 12, so this is 8. So this should be the 4. 12 done. 15 can take part pentathlon and marathon. Pentathlon and marathon, how many? This is 15. This is 8. This is 7. This is 7. Now understand how much value of this and this circle. So out of this triathlon, this is sum of 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So this is 21. This is 18. So how much this value? 21 minus 18. So this is come out with 3. Now this is 26. This is 8 plus 10, 15, 6, 21. So 21, 26, this is 5. Okay. And this is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, and this is 19, this is 29, this is 19, so this is 19, so remaining part is 19. So is the now we'll move to the question, how many players all in all? They are in all, so they are in all. I have to solve the sum of the all value. So sum of the area of this all is the total value. Okay, so this is a 21, this is 5, 26 plus 7, 33, and 33, and this is what? This is 10. This is 10 because 8 plus 7, 15 plus 4, 19. This is 20. This is 10. I have to call something. This is 21. 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12 is 33. 33 plus 10 is a 43. So answer is a B. How many were in the marathon team only? Marathon team only. So this is marathon team and only this is 10. So the answer is a 10 in these parts. Okay. So these are 4 questions which I discussed. Actually these are 2 sets, and these are basic idea about the Venn diagram of the three variable Venn diagram. All the values are given, only we have to find the remaining portion values by subtracting or adding the numbers only. So we have to focus on the area, which area is representing the which part of the variable. Okay, done. Thank you. So